Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the system detected a problem error which is due to broken packages. Just what you have to do is that copy paste these commands which will be provided in the description in the terminal as shown in the video. Now as you can see, there are 3 broken packages or crashed packages in my case. To remove this, copy paste the third command, enter the password, and as you can see now, no broken packages are left. So if you see the error again after removing these files, then go for this. Until and unless, don't go, because we are having changes with the system. Now change the terminal because we are in the file. Enter the password here because we are performing administrative tasks. Now here you can see enabled is equals to 1, change the 1 equals to 0 and save the file. And then close it and then restart the apport. Now if you see the error again, just comment down below. I will try to fix it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video.